CEO gave me the offer on the spot.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
And so did you
so,
feel like you had to accept it right there because the CEO is presenting it to you?
oh my God, I was so scared. I didn't know what to
Like
say.
where you're
It
like,
didn't,
this is awkward. Like, what if
yeah.
you're like, I'm actually have a final round later today at another. What did you say? Did you just say like, thank you, I'll get back to you? Like, or did you say, I'd be excited, thank you? Like, I mean, I think that's so awkward when they try to do that.
Yeah, I know. It was definitely a power move.
This is a
Like,
very much a power move. So tell me how you
yeah.
handled it.
Um, so I kind of just thanked him. I tried to say nice things about the fund. I was like, yeah, like this sounds like a great opportunity. It sounds very exciting. It sounds like something that would be great for my career. And then
Was he
said,
pissed about that,
but
or she pissed when you said that? Like, but you're
no,
not
no,
accepting?
no. No, he was understanding. I think he knew.
Yeah.
But he had asked me, like, specifically, like, are you going to accept the offer? Not just here's the letter.
Right. And so what did you say? You said yes?
And I was like, I don't want to give a definitive answer, but I'm leaning towards yes.
Fair. I think
So
people,
yeah, I didn't want to like completely
I think we want to write, I don't want to give a definitive answer, but I'm leaning toward yes. I think that's a great quote. We'll we'll use that for everybody. If you're put in this situation, which is can be very awkward, and especially if you know you have other, if it's not your number one choice and or you have other interviews
yeah.
coming up, just say this exact phrase.
I don't want to.
Thanks to you, my listeners at Wall Street Oasis. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to send them my way, Patrick at wallstreetoasis.com. Until next time.